How to set up AirDrop in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up AirDrop in iOS 18.1. If you want to easily share photos, documents, and more between your Apple devices, keep watching, and let's get started. First, ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. AirDrop uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to transfer files. Open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right of your screen and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both turned on. Enable AirDrop on your iPhone. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button. In the pop-up menu, tap on AirDrop. Choose one of the following: Receiving Off, Contacts Only, and Everyone. Enable AirDrop on the receiving device. On the other Apple device, make sure AirDrop is enabled in the same way. Send content using AirDrop. On your iPhone, find the content you want to share, like a photo, video, or document. Receive content using AirDrop. When someone sends you a file via AirDrop, you'll see a prompt to accept or decline the transfer. Tap Accept to receive the file, and it will automatically be saved to the appropriate app, photos, or files. And that's it! You've now set up AirDrop and can easily share and receive files between your Apple devices in iOS 18.1. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one!